Alright, y'all, what's the deal, man? It's JT back with another video. I believe my last video was on Cinco de Mayo. I already kind of knew what was going to happen while I was going out drinking and stuff like that. I already knew it was going to put me out for a few days. Well, in this case, almost 5 days. That liquor tore me up, man. I ain't going to lie. I know a lot of y'all been emailing me in the last few days. I had to recover, bro. I'm back. I'm back good now. I'm not drinking probably. I'm probably not even drinking for my birthday, and that's on the 30th. So, yeah, I got locked in for a little bit. So, for those of you that brought the Autopilot traffic spot, everything is good to go. More than likely, you already got an email from me earlier today. Everything is back up and running right now. I appreciate y'all for y'all patience. I was just feeling sick, man. I don't know. You get to like a certain age from drinking where them hangovers, it lasts damn near a week before you fully recover. But that's out the way. Today so far, I ended up making 818. Yesterday, 889. So far for the month, 73.68, 20 cents. So far so good. I just made a post on one of my new accounts. It's called 7 Approvals. Let me refresh. Let's see how many views we got.
If you're broke and need a work from home job fast, these companies are
I
hiring
literally
remote
just posted
workers
this.
at up
Why
to
is it
$35
still
an
at
hour.
61 views? Well, I posted this about 30 minutes ago. Finally made a post after almost a week. Got one like 3 saves so far. It's a brand new account that I'm working on, so it's gonna take a minute for the views to start picking up. Go back on the account. Oh, it's at 71 views now. Let me see. Oh, Autopilot traffic system for this new account. I am gonna open up 3 spots on here. As you can see, I ended up did a test video on it. Got 1,400 views. Just did another video on it. Cinco de Mayo, which is the last time I was active. Got 1,300 views. So I already know this account about to really start to turn up. So if you want a spot in that bio, I will have 3 spots available for this account for the Autopilot traffic system. Like I said, if you already purchased your spot, you good, you locked in. I just had to snap out of it. That's all it was. That's why I took damn near a week to get back rolling, and we good to go, man. I just want to show y'all a quick behind the scenes. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? The post I just made. Right here, let's play it a little bit.
If you're broke and need a work from home job fast, these companies are hiring remote workers at up to $35 an hour, and most people don't even know they exist. ThinkRemote.org pays up to $35 an hour to review top brands' product.
All right, so that's that. Y'all can just see it. The text. I end up taking it over to Premiere Pro, editing it over here, adding the sound effects, the B-roll, all that stuff. So this is what it looked like.
If you're broke and need a work from home job fast, these companies are hiring remote workers at up to
It's funny too, because I've been using the same background videos for, I want to say, almost a year. Still work, still go viral, still print money each and every single day, man. Y'all be asking, a lot of y'all really be thinking I'm doing like some magical shit with my accounts and just something secretive or bro, I literally do the same stuff. It's just when you got like hundreds and thousands of the same posts floating across the internet, you getting a lot of spillover traffic. That's why I could damn near not work for like a whole week or not work for like a whole month or whatever, and I won't even notice that much of a dip in traffic. I got a lot of spillover traffic. Y'all be thinking I'm probably just posting once every week or something like that. No, I got a lot of posts across the internet, which is why I continue to get the results that I get. If you just starting out, don't really expect trying to be making thousands a day. Like, you got to get your post up. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all don't even have 10 posts on the internet. I got thousands. You know what I'm saying? So for those of you that always be questioning how am I able to do this, yeah, because I got hundreds and thousands of posts all over, between YouTube, Instagram, TikTok especially. It's all over the place. And if I didn't lose that main account that I had, my Instagram account, if you've been watching for at least, I want to say like December, October or something like that, I had an account on Instagram that was pretty much going viral every day. That's when I was making damn near $2,000 a day. But I ended up losing that account, and I got another one that I'm working on right now. I think I got like 7,000 followers to it. I'm one post away on that account from going viral and right back to 2,000 or 3,000 a day. That close. It's just a matter of time now. But you should play the video out.
$35 an hour, and most people don't even know they exist. ThinkRemote.org pays up to $35 an hour to review top brands, products, and services. You set your own schedule and can work from anywhere. Conduent is hiring overnight customer experience associates at $19 per hour with paid overnight training, a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. schedule, Fridays and Saturdays off, and equipment provided. Teleperformance is hiring on the spot.
Oh, no, that's hella stuff, man.
Just watch your email. To save you time, I put the...
If you know, you know. This website is
And
goated.
most people don't even know they exist.
ThinkRemote.org. That's the site. Just like I said, just uploaded that onto the TikTok account, and yeah, man, that's it. I don't want to drag this video out too long. When I show like income proof and stuff like that, like what else do y'all want me to like show? Besides me giving y'all like an overview of what I'm doing right here, like what would y'all like to see me add to the videos? Cause I want to keep it fresh. Instead of just showing proof and then clicking off the video or whatever, show proof. Like shit, just let me know in the comment section. I want to make these videos as entertaining as possible for the time. And yeah, I ain't got nothing else to say for real. Autopilot traffic system, I got 3 spots open for this account. I just started up. 7 approvals. Yep. It'll be a one-time fee of $100. I'm gonna promote your website in multiple videos, as well as a spot in my link. Damn, I sound stupid as hell. A spot in my link tree where I promote multiple links. So let me show y'all an example. Make money with JT. It's gonna look like this. You'll basically have a spot in here and get lifetime traffic for it until to the end of time. So it's definitely worth the investment. Like I said at the start of this video, if you already purchased a spot, you should already got an email from me with updates. And yeah, man, I don't got nothing else. If y'all got any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. And I will see y'all in tomorrow's video.